Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send it to anyone or any other wallet. To send Bitcoin, first you must own Bitcoin, and to own Bitcoin, you must have funds in your Cash App account. So what you want to do is click on Strictly line down there in the right hand corner, and from this screen you want to click Bitcoin. Then you want to scroll down and click buy. Now insert the amount you want to purchase. Like in my case, I'm going for 48. After you've entered the amount, tap next and it's going to bring you to the confirmation screen. Check to make sure that everything is right, then tap confirm. Now that you own Bitcoin, let's go over how to send it. From the home page, tap Bitcoin, tap withdraw, then drag the screen up. At this point, whatever deposit slip was created by the broker or the person you are sending the Bitcoin to, you want to enter the address exactly to the T. Then press next. Once you send, wait for the confirmation to go through the blockchain and your Bitcoin should be sent to your broker account or the person you are sending your Bitcoin to. So that's it for this video. That's how you can purchase Bitcoin and send it to anyone. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.